Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare BMW X3 versus GLC 220D. We'll dive into their performance, interior features, and overall value to help you decide which luxury SUV best fits your lifestyle. We'll examine engine power, handling characteristics, and the level of comfort each vehicle provides. Our goal is to give you a clear picture of what makes each of these premium SUVs stand out in a competitive market. When it comes to performance, the BMW X3, particularly the xDrive 30 model, offers a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine delivering 255 horsepower. This contributes to its reputation for a more athletic and engaging driving experience. The Mercedes-Benz GLC 220D, on the other hand, comes with a 2.0-liter diesel engine, providing 197 horsepower and 440 newton-meters of torque, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. It focuses more on a smooth, refined ride, making it excellent for comfortable cruising. Inside, both SUVs boast luxurious cabins. The BMW X3 provides a generous 31.5 cubic feet of cargo space with the rear seats in place, and up to 67.1 cubic feet when folded. The Mercedes-Benz GLC offers 21.9 cubic feet of cargo space, expanding to 56.3 cubic feet with the rear seats folded. Both models integrate advanced infotainment systems with large touchscreens, digital instrument clusters, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity. Considering value, the BMW X3 xDrive 30i typically starts at around $51,125, offering a strong balance of performance and features. The Mercedes-Benz GLC 220D generally begins at approximately $73,950, emphasizing luxury and a comfortable ride. Fuel efficiency for the GLC 220D can reach up to 19.4 kilometers per liter, making it a practical choice for longer drives. Ultimately, your preference for sporty dynamics versus refined comfort will guide your decision. And speaking of efficiency, if you're looking to streamline your meal prep, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.